Hello and welcome back to our series. We have previously done Armstrong number and we are going to reverse that number. Now reversing number is quite easy if you have got how the Armstrong number had get. Simply we have to reverse the pattern by getting last number. That it was the previous lecture's code. Now I want to show 1 2 3. I want to make this number to 3 to 1. How we have get this reminder and we have to put here, and we have to get this again this reminder and put here, and reminder and put here. As such we can do this. Let's try it. Int n, let's what variable we have declared. I have not, we have declare reminder. I will make one variable, temporary variable for d. For now I will make this much. I will add something later. Printf enter number to reverse it scanf percentage d ampersand n. Please use ampersand. I have already told you, and I am telling you every time I initialize here, because we have got some error before or we have not. First of all, I have to make one variable that will store result. For we will make while loop. While we will again assign d is equal to n, while d does not equal to 0. Let's make result is equal to we should make 0. Result is equal to result here we have to make a result plus the reminder we have get from there, the percentage 10. I will make this here. Now I have to divide d is equal to d divided by 10, and I should multiply result to result. Let's multiply result above. Result is equal to control v. Result is equal to result multiply by 10. It should be such as, but I will make here x, here I will make it here v. When it will enter to loop, here result is equal to 0, it will multiply 0 into 0 is equal to 0, and it will add the last number. Suppose there is 3 at last, 1 to 3, it will add 3, and it will make 12. The number will be 12 here, and it will move here, and we already have 3, and it will multiply 3, and it will be 30, and it will get the percentage means remainder here, and it will result. Suppose there is 2, and 30 plus 2 is equal to 32, and it will again this, it will be 1, and here it will again multiply, it will be 320, and it will add percentage d, it will remain 1 here maybe in 1 to 3, and it will add here and it will be 1 to 3 1, sorry 3 to 1. This is only simple way. Let's make 1 2 3 4. I should get it, but yes, I should get it, but I have a print 8 here. Print percentage d and pass simply result. Save it and run it. 1 2 3 4. I should get it. Yes, 4 3 2 1. Yes, it will multiply. It will get the number up to what the range of integer maybe 3 to something up to 6 digit. I will make 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, it will get it. But if I will make large number, it will not get, because 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it may not get, but it has get, because we are getting 4 byte in this compiler, and other compiler will get a 2 byte, and it will not print the same this. This is how you can reverse the number, and we can check here palindrome too. Let's check the palindrome in this number. What is palindrome? I want to explain here. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 is the number. This is the number, and the palindrome should be 5 4 3 2. So sorry, palindrome is not like this. Palindrome also must be like 1 2 3 4 5 while reversing 8. Suppose this is 1 2 3 2 1. While reversing this number, we are getting 1 2 3 2 1. 1 2 3 2 1. Same. While reversing this number, we are getting same number. This is called palindrome. Let's check the result, if the number is palindrome or not. If result is double equal to n, we have enter, then we will print this is the palindrome number. Else we will print of this number is not palindrome. Let's save it and test it. I will first enter palindrome number 1 2 3 2 1. Yes, this is palindrome number. Let's execute it. I will 1 2 3 4 5. This is not a palindrome, because 5 4 3 2 1 is not equal to 1 2 3 4 5. This is how we can reverse and check palindrome. Next video we will learn more about more example. Thank you for watching this video, and maybe we will start C++ in next video. Thank you.